Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So, let's start with grade 5 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then you have to go to grade 5, click on view all lessons, and we're working on chapter 3, ratios, proportions, and percents. Ratios, proportions, and percents. So the topic we're going to start with is what percentage is illustrated. Excuse me. What percentage is illustrated. So please make sure before starting the lesson you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points on your notebook. Got it? So let's start with the lesson. So basically you are given with a shape that has the 100 squares, and out of the 101 some of them are colored. So you need to see out of the 100 what percent is colored. Got it? So let's start with examples. Okay, let's start with this one. What percentage of the shape is green? So need to count the squares that are colored green. Just count the rows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 complete rows are green, and 1, 2, 3. That means 83% of the shape is green. Got it? So you can count just rows and the rows that are completely colored. Got it? And then the one that is the portion of the one that is colored. Okay, start counting the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 87% of this shape is colored. Got it? Okay, what percentage of the shape is green? So three of the rows are colored and just one square. So 31% of the shape is colored. Got it? Just count the rows that are colored and then the one that is not completely colored. So that means you have 31% of the shape is colored. Got it? On the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, what percentage of the shape is orange? So just count the rows. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the complete rows are colored and then 5 square are colored. That means 55% of the shape is colored. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now the next one is what percentage of the shape is red? So just count the rows that are red. One, two, three, four. So four of the rows are colored. Now count the one that is in which some of the squares are colored. So we have six of the square that are colored. So that means 46% of the shape is colored. Got it? So the correct option is 46%. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what percent of the shape is red? Again, the same one. 46% of the shape is colored. I think I haven't selected the answer, sorry. Okay, what percent of the shape is orange? So, oh, very good, Henry. Okay, what percent is orange? Is it 34 or 28%? Kelly, very good. Is it 34% or 28%? It is 28%. Very good. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. What percentage of the shape is red? Is it 20% or 87%? It is 87%. Got it? Yes, very good, Henry. It is 87%. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what percentage of the shape is green? 20% or 63%? Yes, that is 63%. Very good. What percent of the shape is blue? 40% or 62%? That is 62%. Very good, Henry. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good, Henry and kids. Okay, what percent of the shape is pink? 6% of the shape is pink. Got it? What percent of the shape is brown? Is it 20% or 70%? Very good. So 70% of the shape is brown. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So let's start with the next topic. The next topic is scale drawings. So let's start with the next topic, that is scale drawings. So let's start with examples. Mm, Basically, when we are drawing the pictures on the papers, we just use the scales. Got it? We don't use the original measurements. We use a scale. So in this question, we need to learn how to scale the shapes. Got it? Let's just look at the first question. Brett measured the middle school and made a scale drawing. The scale he used for 1 inch equal 10 feet. In the drawing, the gym is 7 inches wide. What is the width of the actual gym? Okay, so um, the scale he used is 1 inch equal 10 feet. Got it? So you have to see the gym is 7 inches wide. What is the width of actual gym? It is 7 inches. So you need to form a proportion first, that is 1 inch equal 10 feet. So it would be 1 to 10. Got it? And then we have to find for how many? Then we have to find that the gym is 7 inches wide. What is the width of the actual gym? Got it? So we have to write an equivalent fraction with 7 inches as numerator and in denominator. That means when 7 times 1 is, it would be 7 inches. So 7 inches equals 10 times 70 feet. That means if originally it was 7 inches, so then in the now if in the scale it is 7 inches, that means originally it is 7 feet, 70 feet. Got it? Got it? So originally the figure is 70 feet. Got it? Okay, just move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is Crick drew a scale. Crick drew a scale drawing of a swimming pool. The scale he used was 1 millimeter to 10 meter. Got it? The pool is 50-meter long in real life. How long is the pool in the drawing? So the the scale he used is 1 millimeter to 10 meters. 1 millimeter to 1 millimeter equals 10 meter. Got it? So it would be 1 to 10. Now originally I think it is 50. The pool is long in 50-meter long in real life. How long is the pool in the drawing? Got it? So 50-meter long. So make the denominator 50 millimeter. Got it? 50 meter. So to make the denominator 50, just multiply both of them by numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 10 is 50 meter. That means if it is originally 50 meters in the scale, it would be 5 millimeter. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, Anthony made a scale drawing of summer camp. The scale he used was 1 centimeter equals 6 meters. The sand volleyball court is 18-meter long in real life. How long is the volleyball court in the drawing? Okay, the scale is 1 centimeter to 6 meters. It is 1 centimeter to 6 meter, or either you can write. So write it in ratios form 1 by 6. Now we need to see mm, The sand volleyball court is 18-meter long in the real life. How long is the volleyball court in the drawing? So you have to make 18 in the denominator. Got it? Because meters are in denominator. So 6 times what number makes 18? Because meter is in denominator. So in denominator you have to make 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. So just multiply numerator and denominator by 3. It would be 3 centimeter divided by 3 times 6 is 18 meter. Got it? So that means if originally it is 18 meter, in scale it would be 3 centimeter. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Did you get it? Okay, Raymond measured an arcade and made a scale drawing. In a real life, an air hockey table is 4 feet wide. It is 2 inches wide in the drawing. What is the scale of the drawing? An air hockey is 4 feet wide. It is 2 inches wide in the drawing. What is the scale of the drawing? So 4 feet divided by 2 inches, then it would be 4 feet equals 2 inches. Got it? That means the unit is 2 times 2 is 4. 2. Got it? 1 inch equal 2 feet. Got it? Divide both of them by 2. Then it would be 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. That means 2 feet equals 1 inch. Got it? So 1 inch equal 2 feet. Got it? Very good, kids. It is 2 feet. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Leah measured a petting zoo and made a scale drawing. The scale of the drawing is 1 centimeter equal 2 meters. Okay, 1 centimeter equal 1 centimeter equal 2 meters. It would be 1 by 2. And we need to see if the goat pen is 6 centimeter in the drawing. Okay, 6 centimeter. How long is the actual pen? We need to see if it is 6 centimeter in the drawing. Then it would be multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. So it would be 6 centimeter divided by 6 times 2 is 12 meter. Got it? Then it would be 6 to 7, 12 centimeter, 12 meter. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Yes, and kids, very good. It is 12. Okay, Todd measured a community college and made a scale drawing. The scale of the drawing was 1 millimeter equals 4 meters. The actual width of the building at the college is 24 meters. How did the building is? How wide is the building? Eh, How wide is the building in the drawing? So which option is the correct one? 1 millimeter equals 4 meters. Got it? So you need to see 24 meter equals how many millimeters? Yes, it is 6. Very good. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Jenny measured an apartment and made a scale drawing. In real life, the living room is 4 meters wide. It is 2 millimeters wide in the drawing. What is the scale of the drawing? Okay, 4 meters wide originally, and in drawing it would be 2 millimeter. Got it? So 4 to 2. 4 meters divided by 2 millimeters. It would be 4 meters divided by 2 millimeters. So we have to see what is the scale of the drawing. We need to calculate the scale. We need to calculate 1 millimeter equals how many meter. Got it? So just divide them by 2. It would be then 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 1. That means 1 millimeter equals 2 meters. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Crick drew a scale drawing of the swimming pool. The scale he used was 1 millimeter equal 10 meters. The pool is 50 meters long in real life. How long is the pool in the drawing? So which is the correct option, 10 or 5? So the correct option is 5. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's start with the proportions. Let's start with proportions. Let's start with examples. Okay, find the missing number to complete the proportion. We are given with the numbers. We have to find the missing number and we have to complete the proportions. This is basically the missing number. 1 divided by the missing number and 4 divided by 20. We have to write the fraction in equivalent form. Got it? With 1 as a denominator. So here you have 4 by 20. Just divide it by 4. 4 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 4. Got it? We have to start with 4 by 20. We have to write an equivalent fraction in which the numerator is 1. We have to make the denominator 1. That's why I divided it by 4, because 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Got it? So 4 divided by 4 is then 1, and 20 divided by 4 is 4 times 5 is 25. That means if it is 1, then the missing value is 5. Got it? Okay, the next example is the next example is the missing number divided by 15, sorry, 5, not 15, equals 6 divided by 15. Got it? So we have to start with this one, 6 by 15. We have to write an equivalent fraction with 5 as a denominator. We need to make it's this denominator of this fraction equal to 5. Got it? So think of a number that can divide 15 and answer equals 5. Got it? We know that 3 times 5 is 15. So just divide this fraction by 3. Got it? When we divide the fraction by 3, it would be then 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5 is 15. See, now both of the fractions have same denominators and also the numerator is, that means then the missing numerator is 2. Got it? Okay, let's start with the Test questions. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. The missing number divided by 3 and that equals 6 divided by 9. So what we have to do, start with the fraction 6 by 9 and we have to make this denominator equals 3. Got it? So 9 divided by what number equals 3? 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So let's just divide both numerator and denominator by 3. Got it? 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. That means the missing number is 2. Got it? Very good, Henry. It is 2. Henry and kids, very good. Okay, so the select correct option is 2. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 divided by the missing number and that equals 6 divided by 12. Now let's start with the numerator. You have to make this denominator equal to 2. So what 6 is divided by what number? So the answer equals to 3. Let's just divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Got it? That means the missing number is 4. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the missing number divided by 5 equals 4 divided by 10. So we have to make the denominator equals 5. So 10 divided by what number equals 5? 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So just divide them by 2. Got it? So 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 5 is 10. That means the missing number is 5. Missing number is 2. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. 4 divided by 5 equals 16 divided by the missing number. So you have to find, yeah, here the missing, here you have 5. So 5 times what number makes 20? 5 times 4 makes 20. So the missing number here is 20. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1 divided by 3 equals 5 divided by the missing number. So you have to make their denominator same. Here you have 3. We need to make the denominator 3 here. Got it? So let's just multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. Got it? Five times 3 and divided by multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 times 5 is 5. So it would be then 1 by 3 equals 5 over 15. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. We're going to start with the final test of the chapter. Let's start with the final test. Okay, scroll down to final test and let's start with the final test. Okay, which is greater? You're given two of the percentages, 30% of 10 and 10% of 30. Which is greater? 30% of 10, 30% of 10 and 10% of 30, I think. Yes, 10% of 30. Okay, let's just calculate both the percentages and let's see which one is greater. Got it? So 30% of 10 is, just convert the 30 in the fractional form. So it will be then 0.3, and 0.3 times 10. 0.3 times 10 is 3. Got it? And then for here you have 10. 10 divided by 100 is 0.1. So it would be 0.1 times 30. Got it? Urubosa, you are unable to see the final test because you haven't completed all the topics. So when you complete all the topics, then the final test opens. Got it? So 0.1 times 30 is 3. Yes, it would be 3. And 0.3 times 10 is 3. So both of them have the same values. Got it? So the correct option is they are equal. Got it? They have the same values. They are equal. What percentage of the shape is pink? Count the box, count the squares that are colored pink. So the answer is, it would be 6%. Got it? Okay, find the unit rate. 10 pages in 2 days. Then how many pages per day? 10 pages in 2 days. So how many pages per day? 10 divided by 2 is 5. That means it is 5 pages per day. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what percentage of the shape is green? Which one is it? Oh, very good. It would be 63%. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. 20 orders in 4 days. So how many orders per day? 20 divided 4 equals 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 4 times 5 is 20. That means each day the orders that are getting ready is 5. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Complete the ratio table. So we have to complete the ratio table. Let me just make the table on the board and then we'll solve. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Let me draw the table on the board. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. And here you have 5 missing number 15, 20, 25. 5 missing number 15, 20, and 25. So you have to make a relationship between the x and the y values. So just look at all these values. They are just the factors of 5. Got it? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. And 5 times 5 is 25. That means it would be 5 times 2, 10. That means the missing number equals 10. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, complete the ratio table. 8, missing number 24, 32, 40. 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So which number is missing? So the correct option is so the correct option is 16. Got it? Very good, kids. It is 16. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. What percentage of the shape is red? 46% of the shape is colored. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. In hopes of encouraging healthier snacks at school, Seth brought in a tray of carrot sticks and apple slices to share. The tray had a total of 35 snacks, of which 40% were carrot slats. How many sticks did Seth bring? So you have to calculate 40% of 35. Got it? You have to calculate 40% of 35. This is the whole part and this is the percentage. So it would be then whole number divided by part, and that equals n divided by, no, sorry, it is n divided by the whole number, and that equals percentage divided by 100. It would be 1 over 35 equals p divided by 100. So it would be then remove that p from this side. So it would be, you are given percentage also, it is 40. Sorry, I forgot to write the percent. The value of the percent, the value of the percent is 40. Here you have n. Okay, just cross multiply them. N equals 40 times 35 divided by 100. Just multiply them and find the value of the, let me just do 40 times 35. It is 1400, and 1400 divided by 100 is 100. Got it? So the correct option is 14. 1400 divided by 100 is 14. Got it? So the missing option, the correct option is 14. Got it? Okay, complete the table. 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. 4, 8, 12. These are just the tables. So 4 times 4 is 16. That means the missing number is 16. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the unit rate? 16 apartments on 4 floors. So how many apartment do we have on one apartment? 16 divided by 4 equals 16 divided by 4, and that equals 1 divided by, divide 16. 4 times 4 is 16. That means 40 apartments per day, or whatever you can So it is 14, 4. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Are these ratios equivalent 3 to 5 and 12 to 20? 3 to 5 and 12 to 20? You can cross multiply them. 20 times 3 and 12 times 5. 20 times 3 is 60 and 12 times 5 is also 60. So the answer are equal. That means they are equivalent fractions. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have just completed the topic ratios, proportions and percents. So please make sure before the next class session you have to complete all the test topics for this chapter. Got it? And if you need more help with the topics, you can contact and tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. If you find the video helpful for you, just click on the like button right below the video. And that's all for today. Bye.